Yesterday, the price has created a bearish engulfing candle. It is on the daily time frame, right at the resistance level 3350.58. We can see that here the price has created that bearish candle after the price was trying to move further up, rising, continuing to rise after the bullish candle has been formed the day before, but the price yesterday has turned down. Let's see yesterday how the price has behaved. Yesterday in the analysis, the analysis was done here, where this bearish engulfing candle on the 4-hour time frame has been created, and I have said that I have shared this information with the traders inside the premium analysis. The premium analysis link will be below in the description if you would like to join. This bearish candle has been formed as a bearish engulfing candle, suggesting further decline in value. We can see the price after several 4-hour time frames has continued to lose its value. But we can see in the next candle, the price has formed a bullish breakout, then again a bearish breakout. So this was several of these signals are suggesting further decline in value. Only this one suggesting further rise in value. And we can see it was a false one because the price has continued to lose its value after creating a second bearish engulfing candle right here at the resistance level. The price continued to lose its value, and we can see the price has stopped on the second support level 3320.96. You can see that here, and then the price is currently bouncing from this area of support. On the 1-hour time frame yesterday, the price has continued to lose its value. We can see that here on the 1-hour time frame around 3350, the price has continued to lose its value, continue to move down all the way to this support level 3314.79. After that, the price will return back up and for several hours stay inside this small range area, where we can see that the price is currently forming a bullish breakout right here at the resistance level at 3333.30. What we can expect today? Let's go from the daily time frame. This is a bearish engulfing candle at the resistance level, suggesting further decline in value. Yesterday, we had a bearish engulfing candle, second bearish engulfing candle at the resistance level, where the price currently is, and the price has continued to lose its value to the second support level, 3320.96. On the 4-hour time frame, we are currently in the bullish mode. It is a bullish trend, where this trend has been currently, it seems, has been broken because the price has reversed back down, continue to rise in value, and currently we have a lower low than this currently is. So this is potentially a bearish sentiment forming on the chart. A daily time frame suggests a bearish engulfing candle, suggesting further decline in value. This returning the price to the resistance level very close to 3350.58 is potentially just a retest of the previous support, now acting as a resistance where the price could return back down. Now, today is a Friday, which means the traders get out from their trades. So this potentially, this bearish breakout, also bearish engulfing candle, which is suggesting down, could be a false one because it's Friday, where the technical analysis in the afternoon especially doesn't work all the time. So this could be also a false signal where the price could go above this area of resistance, continue to rise in value. This is something that we need to watch closely, what happens on the lower time frames, because there it will be also a signal for the higher time frames where the price could go, especially 1-hour time frame, which will show us how the price will behave. Now, this is a bullish breakout currently forming on the chart on the 1-hour time frame. This is potentially, and I'm expecting that the price could reach this area of resistance and potentially 3350.58, just to retest the previous support and now acting as a resistance, especially on the daily time frame. After that, if the price returns back down, forming a bearish breakout below this area of support 33.30, this will be potentially a signal that the price is returning back down, and it will follow the daily bearish engulfing candle, which is suggesting further decline in value. First take profit level will be around this area here, which is 3312, low that has been reached yesterday, and on the 1-hour time frame this will be the target 3314.79. If the price makes a bearish breakout on the 1-hour time frame below this one, we will see that the price will try to move further down all the way to here around 3285.71, and around this area 3287, it will be 3285.87. This will be the next target if the price manages to make a bearish breakout below this area of support. But if the price goes above 3350.58, we will see that this 3365.01 is a very important resistance level, and we'll see will the price manage to go further up. So step by step. We need to go and follow the market, how the market reacts, and then follow the market, enter into the trade. When that happens, and also what will be the breakout, I will share that inside the premium analysis with the traders, so they are informed what is the entry level, what is the stop loss, and take profit level. Feel free to join the premium analysis. The link will be below in the description, so you are informed also. Yesterday, there was also several trading opportunities. We can see that yesterday, just a minute. Yesterday was the 3rd. Just a minute. Let me open this one. Here it was. It was successful. This one also was failed because of this was the messy here, these false signals. And then after that, also US30 has been closed, which has been open for more than a day. So you can see that more of these trades were successful during this week. So if you would like also to join and receive these updates, feel free to check the link below in the description. For now, what I have said, I'm expecting that there is hypervolatile, the price returns back down, making a bearish momentum, but we'll see how the price will behave around this area of resistance and also around this one, a resistance which is a daily resistance. If the price goes back down, especially on the 1 hour time frame, shows some kind of a bearish momentum sentiment, making a bearish breakouts, this will be a signal that the price will try to follow the daily here, a bearish breakout. Usually on the gold, when this happens, especially on the resistance level, bearish engulfing candles suggesting for the decline, it follows this trend. But because of the Friday today, it is potentially a little bit tricky to trade this one, because the price could go a little slightly down and then the market closes for the rest of the week and opens on a Monday, probably with a gap or something else if there are some kind of a news during the week. So it's very important to be cautious and not leaving the trade opens at the end of the week, because the gap on the Monday could go against you and close the trade with more loss than you have expected. So feel free to check the link below in the description, enjoy the premium analysis. Let's see how the price behaves today, and let's follow the 1 hour time frame when the breakout happens, in which directions. That's all for today. See you next time and happy trading. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and a happy trading.